stands with a spark in his chest. Golden fur shines Rover at his best. They're a team, nothing stands in their way, charging forth, setting life straight today. Through the rubble, through the smoke they charge, circuits and pause in a world so large. One scans fast, the other sniffs the breeze. Together they bring the chaos to its knees.